Hey there, you just discovered a hidden treasure map leading you to a trove of digital gold. But to claim your prize, you need a secret key, a wallet address. Today, we're going to unlock that secret. We'll dive into the world of Newton, a popular crypto platform, and learn how to get your very own wallet address. Why do you need a wallet address? Think of a wallet address as your digital bank account number. It's where your cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, are stored. Without a wallet address, you can't buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. It's the essential link between you and the exciting world of digital assets. Step-by-step guide to getting your wallet address on Newton. Create a Newton account. If you haven't already, download the Newton app or visit their website and sign up for an account. Provide your basic information and verify your identity according to their requirements. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you'll need to add funds to it. Newton supports various funding methods, including bank transfers and credit cards. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the on-screen instructions. Navigate to your wallet. Open the Newton app or visit their website and log into your account. Look for the Wallet or Portfolio section. It's usually located in the main menu. Click on it to access your wallet. Find your wallet address. Within your wallet, you should see a section labeled Wallet Address or something similar. Your wallet address will be displayed there as a long string of letters and numbers. Copy and save your wallet address. Carefully copy your wallet address and save it in a secure location. You can use a password manager or write it down and store it in a safe place. Additional tips and considerations. Security first, always prioritize the security of your wallet address. Avoid sharing it with anyone you don't trust, and use strong, unique passwords to protect your account. Multiple wallets. If you plan to hold multiple cryptocurrencies or use different platforms, you might consider creating separate wallets for each. Hardware wallets. For added security, consider using a hardware wallet. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them more resistant to hacking. Newton security features. Learn about Newton security measures to ensure your funds are protected. They may offer features like two-factor authentication and cold storage. Conclusion. Now that you have your wallet address, you're ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies on Newton. Remember, always do your research and invest wisely. With your wallet address in hand, you're one step closer to unlocking the potential of digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.